po ang aming dinner for today. Ayan. Steamed pork, fried tokwa with sliced pork. At meron din kami steamed fish. Ayan. Ito steamed fish at mushroom with chicken breast. Ayan po ang aming. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang gulay. Ayan po ang aming gulay. Hindi ko lang alam kung tawag sa gulay na to. Ito po ang aming dinner for today. Ayan guys. Yan. Tara, let's eat. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. God bless us all. Muli. Thank you for